Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the BANGSON. If you're living in a small space or looking for a convenient laundry solution, this video is for you. We'll dive into the key features of each machine, including their operation, capacity, and unique functionalities. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which washing machine suits your lifestyle best. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring physical effort to crank the handle for washing. This makes it eco-friendly and suitable for off-grid living, but it may not be ideal for everyone. On the other hand, the BANGSON is electric, offering a more convenient experience with just the push of a button. This makes it easier to use, especially for those who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads or delicates. In contrast, the BANGSON offers a much larger capacity of 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. This makes the BANGSON a better choice for larger households or those who need to do laundry less frequently. The WonderWash is designed for simplicity, focusing on manual operation without any additional features. It is portable and easy to store, but it lacks a spin drying function. In contrast, the BANGSON comes with a spin dryer and multiple wash modes, providing more versatility for users. This added functionality can save time and effort, making it a more comprehensive solution for laundry needs. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and BANGSON portable washing machines have their unique advantages. If you value eco-friendliness and portability, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer convenience and larger capacity, the BANGSON may be the better option for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.